Hi everyone, this is Gaurav Agrawal and today I'm going to tell you how you can do the brand registry on Amazon. So why brand registry? In this video, I'm going to tell you what is brand registry, why it is important, how you can do it, what are the benefits, what are the extra tools you get with brand registry so that you can make most out of it. And apart everything else, so the brand registry is very important to safeguard your listing from the hijackers. So let's get started. So first thing first, what is brand registry? So for that, let's go to Amazon brand registry. So as this page says, it helps you to build and protect your brand on Amazon. So how does that work? So let's go back to what is brand registry. So you can get the access to Amazon brand registry when you have trademarked with your local trademark or patent office. So IP office, not the patent or IP office. The IP means intellectual property. By intellectual property, I mean, so let's say if you have chosen a name, let's say a Gaurav Naturals. My name is Gaurav, so I'm just saying it's Gaurav Naturals. So I'm saying if you have chosen the Gaurav Naturals, and then you can see if the Gaurav Natural is available on to register or not. So that can be done by going to the certain websites which are generally the government websites. Each country has its own website. So Amazon accepts most of the website from the US, UK, India. So these are the website. And so to start with, so to get the Amazon brand registry, you need to have a trademark. Earlier it was you need to have a approved trademark. Now they are giving it for the applied for. That means if you had applied for number for the trademark, they can still give you the trademark. The brand registry over here, and then you can enjoy the benefits of the Amazon brand registry. So let's get started. So to check if a brand name is available or not, so you can generally go to USPTO. That's the website of the United States Patent and Trademark Office. So I will be giving link down below for this website in my description. So this is a USPTO website. You can go over there, and so you go to trademark and trademark search database. So there are two types of trademark. One is word mark, the simple name, like my name is Gaurav Natural, so simple name. Or you can also get trademark your logo also, so that it cannot be used. So if you go into real world, so the word Coca-Cola and the logo of the Coca-Cola cannot be used by anyone else because they have already registered their trademark. So let's search the Coca-Cola over here and see what that comes. So this is a basic one, Coca-Cola. Submit query. So you see, so this is a live trademark. This is serial number this. So trademark applicant the Coca-Cola Corporation Delaware and One Coca-Cola Plaza Atlanta Georgia. So these guys are owning a trademark. So let's say I want to have the trademark, a pretty simple one, and I go to website. I say the Gaurav Naturals because I want to start a brand which is majorly related with the naturals, the natural products. So let's say. So that means that this trademark is available and nobody is using it. So another website you can use, which is pretty easy one to use, is Trademarkia. So trademarkia.com, go over here and you can see the Gaurav. A lot of people spell my name wrong in my friends and some of my co-workers from the US, the Gaurav, and they just spell wrong. It seems like it's a confusing spelling, but still I spell it right. So yes, so there's no one using it, and you can get it registered for these type of money. So let's go, and then I will go for the, let's say, the Go Natural. So let's see, Go Natural. Yeah, so Go Natural is being used uh, on, it has been registered. Go Natural mobile application for being here and here information. So these are some registered. You should never go for these type of words, because uh, these are very conflicting one. These are very common one. You go for something which is a bit unique, which can be easily passed through. So after you apply, so you can go in over there, and then you can give uh, the trademark application number, and Amazon will take 1 to 3 weeks to get your application approved, and they will allow you to have the brand registry. The another thing is that to list a certain type of product, the primarily the one I know back of my hand is health supplement. They generally ask you for the trademark, and it's better if you have the trademark. And to supplement your claim, you can have a website. So if you don't want any very costly solution to create a website, you can simply go to wordpress.com. These are quite easy to do, and these are not very costly one. And I think by with 160 rupees, that is somewhere around $2.5, you can create your website. You can have the domain for 1 year. So when you apply for the trademark, also they ask you for the website. So simply they're going to check your website. And the one thing to get it approved for the trademark, you need to make sure that you are selling that product. For that, what you can simply do, create a label of that product, put that label on the website, and tell them, okay, so you are selling this product. Even though you don't have an inventory, you can simply put like exorbitant, like $500 for a single bottle of a supplement, which you're gonna sell for the $20 later on, so that nobody buys it, but still you get the understanding on what is the thing that is required.